What excites me most about crypto in this 10 plus journey that I've been on is the same real world applications coming on chain and this technology transforming the way that we use the internet.
I've been around the crypto scene since 2018, so for quite some time. What excites me about crypto is that it gives this financial freedom back to the people, and it also helps shape out the next era for the internet. So this concept of programmable finance, programmable money, it's something that interests me a lot.
So I've actually known BitGo for almost since the beginning of my career in crypto, back to 2013, 2014 time. That time I was very early at Fidelity Investments and first met Mike there when we brought in experts in the crypto space to talk about custody. And so that was my first introduction to BitGo and has remained consistent. And when we think about onboarding with BitGo, we are most excited to onboard with the leader in institutional custody, the multi-sig solution that BitGo has, in order to provide our institutional clients the safest experience for staking on Solana.
So we started back in 21, introducing the concept of liquid staking to Solana with MSOL. And since then, we introduced a second product called Marinade Native that suits much more for institutions, has no smart contract risk. So it's basically custody agnostic.
From the very beginning of this partnership, it was a matter of us explaining to BitGo what we could bring to the table in terms of Solana staking. And the BitGo team has been very Solana native and friendly. We find this a lot with Marinade. We're kind of an OG platform on Solana. And so we discovered some people in BitGo who are also very interested in Solana and knew about Marinade and passionate and eager to bring it to the platform. And then vice versa, we have people on our team who know about BitGo and its reputation. So it's so far been a great collaborative partnership. So far, in terms of the client reaction that we've had people waiting some months for this partnership and this integration. So it's going to have a huge impact on our business and on our clients' ability to stake with who they want through the appropriate qualified custodian vehicle, which is BitGo. We really think about this answer from a client perspective. When a client wants to stake a significant amount of assets, they're of course very concerned with the rewards they're going to get, the tech platform that they're going to use. But custody and where that original Solana is custodied and who that partner is absolutely critical to the conversation. So for us, having BitGo and thinking about that future where we can have those conversations with clients and explain the benefits of Marinade and how we are the best rewards on Solana staking, and the sort of really important critical yes and to our business and our clients is you can do it through a qualified custodian like BitGo, who is a trusted partner who's been in this space for decades plus in terms of crypto custody. So it's really tying together the best custody and qualified custodian solution with the best Solana staking solution that we know is going to win in the market.
I'm the most excited about the future of crypto when it comes to the adoption and make it very broad, very open, very democratic. The whole idea of crypto was that it's supposed to serve the people out there and make the finance open as much as possible. So what excites me the most is making sure that we have the tooling, we have the pavement, we have the guardrails out there to make sure that we can onboard not the next million, but billions of people to crypto, because it is a superior way how to use the internet. It is the superior way how to use finance overall.
I'm a customer at BitGo myself, although I'm not an institution. And so the kind of proof points that I think through as a customer and recommending is the combination of two factors that are very hard to get right in crypto, and that is ease of use and security. When I think of how I interact with BitGo, what that client experience is like, what it's like to use the tools, I think of those two things constantly. I want it to be simple to use, to understand, the tooling to be appropriate, but I also want to always be assured that the multi-sig model, the security, how authentication is happening is occurring in the strictest fashion from a security standpoint. And that's how we talk about it with our potential clients as well.